Okay, so we're going to have, if we pick the origin to be this point, it's going to go up 1 and down 1 from there.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to go over 2, up 2, and 2. Okay, and then we're going to have to try to figure out where this point is so that we can find what the vector is that goes from the origin to that point. So what can we say about this point up here?
Well, we know you have a square here. You have to go over 1 to be able to go up and intersect with it.
Okay, over 1.
Well, then if you found, I guess, if you found this distance, then you could calculate the distance up with Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, very good. So we have this distance up the middle of the equilateral triangle. So
yeah.
that's going to be a triangle that goes over 1.
And then it's going
to have a hypotenuse that goes up like that.
And then we
so I'll get the shape out of the way. So this is 1. This distance here is the length up in the middle of an equalateral triangle. So what is that length?
This is going to be root 3.
Root 3.
Or, yeah.
Okay.
And then, so that means our other side is root 2.
Root 2. Okay, so I think we've seen that before. Okay, so the point that goes up here.
So this is root.
Its x-coordinate. If I pretended to draw it 3-dimensionally like that, its x-coordinate goes 1 over. Its y-coordinate, how far up in the y-axis does it go?
It goes 0.
0. And then how far in the z-axis? Root 2. Okay. So that's the vector 1, 0, root 2. And what's the one that goes down below?
It's 1, 0 minus root 2.
Very nice. Okay. 1, 0 minus root 2 goes down below. So what can we do to find the dot product of this?
Well, we just multiply like before. So the dot product, just through multiplication, is going to be 1, 0, plus or minus 2. Dot product is going to be negative 1.
Okay, so if this is A and this is B, the dot product A dot B is minus 1.
Alright.
Okay, so how are we going to find the angle now?
So then the magnitude, we find the magnitudes and multiply those together. And those magnitudes are both the root 3.
Okay. So this equals magnitude A, magnitude B, cosine theta. Sorry for being out of room there. Okay. So root 3 times root 3 is...
This is going to be 3.
So we get cosine of theta is minus 1/3. Alright, so what does it mean when the cosine of an angle is negative?
So the angle is going to be bigger than 90 degrees.
Okay, do you believe that face angle is bigger than 90 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah, just by looking at it, it seems like it will be.
Okay. And let's see. So I get 1 divided by 3. Where's my plus minus sign?
So at the top, maybe percent.
Okay. And then our cosine of that is 109 degrees.
That's believable.
Yeah, it just looks like a little bit more than 90.
Yes, but it's neat. So basic ideas from geometry and these dot product ideas that you're using are letting us fairly quickly and easily figure out what these angles are.
Yeah.
Okay. And now for the ultra challenge.